Hey everybody, my name is Tanessa Roberts and I'm with Coldwell Banker, and I'm about to do a little quick walkthrough on my buyer's new construction, and the place is coming out awesome. I wanted to show you guys these countertops and they are simply gorgeous. Let me turn this around so y'all can. Okay, so isn't that gorgeous? That's a very deep vein. The lighting is not all that great, but it's like a deep gray going through. They picked out the deep colored white porcelain sink. And of course, the flat countertops. I'm so love it. A lot of space. Could put your chairs underneath here. And everybody can sit up to the bar. And then of course you have your dining area and you also have your living area. So here's the rest of the kitchen. Got the backsplash. They're going to have a counter, a built-in smooth top range right here. And then they'll have right here will go a double oven. So just loving the colors, and then the gray floors are just awesome. It's not too dark, but not too light. Okay, so this is the master suite. Nice, huge space. They customized the property, so they put two sconces going to be above their head where they sleep at. But I want to show you the best part. Ooh, look at this bathroom. This is to die for. They took out the tub and they added dual showers. Walk through shower with the rain head. And it goes literally all the way around. So how awesome is that? And then of course the same detail that's in the kitchen, tile all the way up to the ceiling. Ooh, so nice. Definitely would have put that option in my house. Then you have the separate throne, of course. Nice huge space in here. Then the master closet, and the light's not in yet, but there's also the master closet that they're finishing up. So there is definitely plenty of space, plenty of countertop, and there are some builders who would give you the option to customize. And of course they have the backyard, and I can't wait till my clients move in because they are going to put a pool back here. So I know where I'm going to be coming in the summertime. And it wraps all the way around. So they have definitely a nice sized yard. And then a nice long patio that they can also enjoy. Okay, so that was it for my home tours. We'll be closing next month, so they're super excited and can't wait for them to get done. Now, if you want to be this excited as they are and want to go through this experience, just give me a call, 254-258-5933. I'm in the Fort Hood area, and I would be glad to help you to navigate through this new construction home building process, because it's not necessarily easy, but it can be just as easy. So I'm here to help you all the way. And once again, I'm Tanessa Roberts with Coldwell Banker, United Realtors. Thanks. Bye.